Okay. Yeah.
Hey, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today is Skincare Sunday and I just got out of the shower. I'm smelling good, feeling fine. And guess what? Yep, we got another PR package. This is what it looks like. This is what it is. Looks. I love the texture of this box. I love the white and gold. So luxurious. This is how it looks. How beautiful. This is the back. The instructions. This is connected to the mask. Dust bag, port charging. The box comes in here. Also a power bank. This is a power bank. You could even use this for your phone, girl. Guy, y'all. Love it. Also, this I would say is for around your head. A smaller USB port. What is this? 4 rubber attachments. Everything that was in here. Let's just go with the instruction. It says, what's inside? Thank you for purchasing. Thank you for sponsoring me. As what's inside? Thank you for purchasing How to Wreck Red Light Therapy for the face. Give yourself or someone you love younger looking, cleaner, brighter skin with the LED face mask light therapy. Please read the user manual carefully before use and check whether the product is damaged or not when you receive the product. And this is everything I showed you, which is the mask, the box, head strap, carrying case, adapter, charging cable, user manual, power bank. Oh, 2 pair of eye masks. So these go around your eyes. Cool. So what is red light therapy? Light therapy is a safe, non-invasive way to treat a variety of skin concerns. During LED therapy, the light waves caused by LED devices act deeply in the skin to trigger natural intercellular reactions. The layers of the skin contain a lot of blood and water that can absorb these light waves. This helps to stimulate the production of collagen, we love collagen, and elastin, which can help to reduce the appearance of fine line, wrinkles, and dark spots. Red and near infrared light benefits. Our How to Wreck masks use red and infrared LED light emitting diodes, which produce uniform, cool, narrow band light that penetrates deep into the epidermal layer of the skin to stimulate or activate skin cells. LED mask that uses red light near infrared light therapy has been scientifically proven to treat cosmetic indications, including facial wrinkles. This is like before and after. I'm so happy I get to share this with you, and thank you so much. I love my sponsors. All right, and right here it says skin elasticity, a 21.67 improvement, skin moisture content, 23.66 improvement, smoothness of skin, 11.5% smoother, 12.46% glossier skin, and your nose label fluids, I guess that's a fancy name for wrinkles, down 9.8%. And it says 18.58 canthus lines, I guess that's deep wrinkles, down. We need that. Our mask allows every love beauty to have younger, cleaner, and brighter skin. We love that. How to use an LED face mask, cleaning your skin with water and then drying it. Choose the energy level you want. Therapy for 10 to 20 minutes, 4 times a week. Your skin will be smooth after use. It says the advantages of our mask made of medical grade soft silicone compared to stiff hard plastic. This is more comfortable and fits any face shape. The LED light can penetrate and cover every area of the face. A dual clip technology and 660 mN to 850 mm spectrum make facial skin more elastic. These two wavelengths work on inner layers of the skin to rejuvenate it for a visibly radiant and healthier looking complexion. 10, 23 timing modes. We usually recommend 15 minutes. If your skin needs a longer treatment, you can choose 20 minutes. There is an adjustable Velcro at the top of the head to avoid falling off. You can do yoga, you could read a book, you could listen to music. Okay. During light therapy, small desk and equipment travel bag, and a power bank that you could take to work or to a party. I heard that. Pay attention, there are some smell when you use it for the first time and it will slowly dissipate, which is a normal phenomenon and will not affect your use. It will not harm your eyes. Do not look directly into the light. This device comes with eye pads to protect your eyes. Wear your eye pads to avoid the glaring from the light. Can you use the device every day? It is recommended to use 15 minutes for each treatment, 3 to 5 treatments per week. Reduce to 3 to 2 treatments a week. Once results are visible, you may experience redness or dryness of the skin. LED light stimulates new collagen and the production of the dermal layers of the skin. You can apply anti-aging serum and hydrating sheet mask before the use of red light therapy setting. Do not use heavy or greasy creams or lotions before the treatment. These can cause irritant to your skin. Consumer perception studies show that 95% of users showed effective improvement to the skin tone and fine lines just after 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, I love that. What to expect? The mask contains 222 LED, 3-pore LED bulb pieces of 99% purity, medical grade LED light emitting diodes in red, near infrared LED lights to smooth wrinkles, reduce pigmentation, and to clear acne for a youthful complexion. Is LED safe to use? Yes, LED is safe to use and generally suitable for all skin types. However, we do recommend to start slow with 10 minutes per session to test your skin tolerance. Are the head straps. So take the mask and put them right here. I did it. That was so quick. That was so easy. Stick it through the loop here. There's Velcro, the eye protector shields. So you're just supposed to, so I just put the eye protectors in. There's gray and there's black. I'm just gonna plug it into the mask. This is the exciting part. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Thank you so much to my sponsor, all of my sponsors. I appreciate you. And we love you here at Jazzilulu TV. This is how the back looks. Just put it inside. This looks so crazy. The eye protectors are comfortable. Alright, so this is how my skin looks. Whenever you do a LED type of treatment mask, you should always follow up with the moisturizer. And I'm using this here, Lancôme Génifique. And then I layered that moisturizer with Advanced Génifique by Lancôme. And this is for all skin types. This is a serum, this is a moisturizer. Like, my skin's so good now. Again, this is a treatment that you do 2 to 3 times a week. And then when you see results, it says to minimize it down to 3 to 2 times a week. So, and to see how my skin improves. I just want to say thank you again to my sponsor and thank you for watching.